switch just caught on fire. And they're trying to pull the switch down. But there's 4 fire engines outside.
Where's the green bucket with my check?
Fire alarm!
There.
She won't know I'm filming. Let's just start walking around.
Smells like smoke.
Oh well. I can't put this on Facebook. I mean, we're not saying like.
Man, I forgot to do extra 30, 40, 50 minutes.
You're clocking out?
Should I leave?
I think we all kind of have to leave.
The fire alarm's there.
I'm filming. I'm still filming.
God, then she started dancing. We walked in and Teenage Dream was playing.